Hi and welcome to Trendy's Short Hairstyles Lookbook. Get only the best short hairstyles and haircuts pictures from this channel. Remember to watch video till the end. Also remember to leave us a like and get subscribed to get more as we upload daily. Thank you. Hello there, beautiful. This is absolutely beautiful. You can see lovely and amazing styles for you to pick and choose from right here. We've taken our time to, of course, prepare this video for you. We took our time to select all the hairstyles that you're watching right now, and we encourage you to watch through the end, as every single picture that presents itself is absolutely unique and wonderful on its own. You're watching 100 plus gorgeous black women, low maintenance short haircuts and hairstyles picture ideas. You can definitely see the pixel haircuts as well as the low cut hairstyles. You can find one or two TWA hairstyle ideas right here. Of course, these are hairstyles for both women that maintain the natural hair as well as a relaxed hair type. We do encourage you to watch this video through the end, as again each picture comes with its own unique value. You can definitely see some amazing styles you probably haven't seen before. You have seen one or two, of course, but you're sure to see one or two you haven't seen before. Again, we encourage you to check out our previously uploaded videos, where we have tons of amazing videos for you, beautifully put together just for you to pick a wonderful style idea for your next hair salon appointment. So go right ahead and share your thought on this amazing video. Let us know how you feel about it. Also check out our previously uploaded videos. We have tons of amazing videos already up and running, as already stated. We do really hope as well that you get encouraged if you're thinking of transitioning to maintaining a short hair look or trying it out very soon. We encourage you to go right ahead and do just that, but of course you should consult with a professional hairstylist on what suitable hairstyle or haircut would suit your face type or shape. Thanks again for watching. Keep it with us always. You take care and bye. watching this video, watch the previous as well as the next video. Get subscribed, leave us a like and also comment on our description tab.